Hi guys, today I want to share with you EuroX Inverter Generator JI3500. In this video, I'll show you how to start the inverter generator and a short demo. First, open the panel and then add sufficient engine oil into the engine tank. Inverters make generators significantly more efficient. These generators are able to automatically adjust their engine speed to match the needs to the application that you are using them for, which means they can adjust the power to match the electrical devices. Devices such as handphone or laptop is safe to use with this generator. Add sufficient gasoline or RON 95 into the gasoline tank. To start the engine, on the fuel, on the switch, pull the choke and start pulling the starter. Push the choke in after you started the engine. The sound is a lot softer comparing the inverters to the normal generators. And yes, this inverter generator is suitable for food truck. Thanks for watching and please subscribe if you find this video helpful.